Welcome to our tutorial about the do-while loop. Let's start by renaming this rule appropriately. Double-click to open it. The do-while syntax is very similar to the while loop. Which one you use is basically a matter of personal preference. In the loop routine, we are able to use more than one condition statement. For example, b is greater than 5. Let's create one more variable. We'll right-click and copy this, and right-click and paste it below, or Control-V to paste it. Let's call it variable b. We'll initialize it with a value of 10. Let's write one more line of code. b equals b minus 1. Let's change the message in the box. So within the double quotations, let's write a equals, after the quotation mark, space, ampersand, space, variable a, space, ampersand, space again, open a double quotation, a couple spaces, b equals, and close the quotation marks, space, ampersand, space, b. Let's add one more message box routine here. Paste it down below. Let's type something like end do-while loop. So that's what'll display when the loop finishes. Let's click OK to run our routine. Here's our message box, a equals 1 and b equals 10. Let's run it again. Now a is equal to 2, b 9, 3 and 8, 4 and 7, and the loop ends, displaying the message end do-while loop. This concludes our tutorial about the do-while loop.